Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. The clock keeps ticking. Christmas is getting closer. This video is dedicated to all of the gun guys and gals out there. So if you know somebody that's into firearms and you don't know what to get them, these 5 great ideas are budget friendly, and the most important thing is it doesn't matter what type of firearms they have. Let's get into the video. And as always, guys, if you want to purchase any of the items mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. The first item on the list is Otis's Tactical Cleaning Kit. Now, I've had this one for about 10 years. It's very durable, portable, nice thick zipper all the way around. And basically everything you need to clean a gun or a rifle is in this little pouch. Let me open this up here. So on this side, you got all your brushes, 45 ACP, 22 LR, 9mm, whatever you need, you can fit them on this side. If the brushes get old, you just replace them. There's a pull cable that I don't really use, but you can put other things in this area. On the other side, you have your jigs here that you would attach your cleaning cloths through. And then right back here, you can see that that is the brush for a 12 gauge and also some cleaning solution. But I absolutely love this. It keeps everything nice and organized. And like I said, I've had this for 10 years. This is a great gift idea. Now, speaking of cleaning rods, that's another great gift idea. However, I would stay away from these detachable ones and stick with a one-piece one, like this one from ProShot. Now, I don't know where mine ran off to, but this is the 6.5-inch version. It's going to be good for most pistol lengths. If you're unsure which one to get, they do come in a 3-piece set that's a universal one. But I can't tell you guys how much I heavily recommend this brand. This would be a good Christmas gift. Alright, I found that this is what it looks like. So the way that I use this is I take the brush, screw it onto here, and you basically use this brass nozzle as a way to guide what you're kind of sliding it into. This thing is awesome. Next up on the list are these Swab It bore cleaning tips. Now, these are made out of foam, and the best thing about these is that they're reusable. Normally what you do is you screw the jig onto the cleaning rod, and then you get a little piece of cloth in there, you ram it in and out of there, and then you have to throw it away. But these are reusable, inexpensive, made out of foam, great gift idea. Next up on the list is this awesome combo pack from Slip 2000. It's got everything somebody's going to need to clean and lubricate their firearm. The best thing about getting these small sizes is if they really like it, they can get the bigger sizes. And on to the final item on my list, and that's getting them a good brass punch set. The great thing about brass, it's non-marring. This one's by Wheeler, fairly inexpensive. Here's what it looks like. Gonna have the mallet on the top here, punches on the bottom. If you look at this punch right here, I really overused that one, so I'll have to replace this one. But very good for drifting sights, getting them in line, or punching out that occasional roll pin. And you don't know you need one until you need one. Well, there you have it, guys. 5 great budget gift ideas for that gun person in your life. Remember, if you want to purchase any of the items mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.